Hi everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. And this week we are debuting our brand new Zayah collection on the YouTube channel. If you haven't seen her yet, go to SBBlooms.com immediately and check her out, because it's probably it's everyone's favorite collection, I think. Something like we've never put out before, and we just hope y'all love it as much as we do.
She's such a cool girl.
Yes. So today we're going to show you 3 different mantle designs with the new collection. Just as a disclaimer, Zayah does not have all of the products that all of the other collections have. We picked and chose what products match the collection the best, because her, as you'll see soon, her collection is very architectural. There's a lot of height and there's a lot of line flowers, so not every piece product made sense, but we included the best ones. Emily will tell you what we used.
So for the first install, we used 4 of our Zayah Meadows. For the second one, we used 3 of our Zayah Swags with 3 to 4 sets of our Tulip gold candlesticks. And then for the last one, which is what you see behind us, we used 1 of our Zayah Meadows and 2 of our Zayah Vaseless centerpieces. Along with the Tulip candlesticks as well. We used 2 sets of those. So that is it. Super simple and easy.
Now we can get into it. Okay, let's show Zayah for the first time.
Super excited.
So if you haven't seen this already, we just launched a new collection, Zayah. She's so good.
Yeah, there's actually
no words.
No words.
She's like something we've never done before. We don't currently have anything like this. All of the florals are very architectural. They have a lot of height. It's like letting them do their thing, and it's just so pretty. Her color palette is green and white, and it's classic and very trendy for what we're seeing right now, and it's perfection. So first mantle design is just simply 4 meadows, and again, the meadows are built on this foam piece, so they sit flat. It looks like flowers are blooming out of the ground, or really any surface you place it on. And we're just going to simply put 4 meadows side by side and create this like really grand mantle look. Okay, so here's our first look.
That is showstopper.
So impactful. Design number 2, we're going to show how swags look on the mantle. So the Zayah collection does not have every single product that we have for each collection. We selected products that make the most sense for this collection. So of course we included a swag for those major install, like ceremony, arch designs that you want to do. So a swag is the back of it is this cage with suction cups and hooks, so you can easily attach it to a mirror. You could also attach it to an arch using the hooks. You just thread zip ties through the hook and through and around the structure of your arch. And we are going to line the mantle with this, like I said, and add in our Tulip candlesticks for just like a candle moment. So this is going to seem similar to the Meadow. The only difference is you're not getting the same height with the swag that you would get with the Meadow.
I love the hangage.
I know, this amaranthus is so nice. Like you can really, so again, like all of our other stems, the florals have a wire base, so you can really gently pull them forward or move them around to get the stems in the direction that you want. So these little amaranthus pieces you can pull forward so that they hang nicely off the mantle, or maybe like off the side.
Yeah. Should we just do 3?
Yeah.
But I think this candlestick is our Tulip candlestick set of 3. I think this like the antiqueness of it, just the vibe of the candle goes really, really well with Zayah. The height is really good as well. So this is just,
see, it's kind of distressed.
An easy way to add more height and dimension throughout.
I didn't realize you were filming. So chic.
Yeah.
Very rich.
Let's add some more candles. Okay, that was design 2, and now we'll do the last one. Like this in the middle, similar to what we just did.
Wait, yeah, that's pretty.
And then maybe a swag on each side.
I kind of like it like that, honestly.
Just like this.
Like, that's pretty.
We quickly restructured this, but we did one meadow in the center, and then if you take a Vaseless centerpiece and place it on its side, one on each side of the meadow, it gives you this type of arrangement. And there you have it, 3 different mantle designs featuring our brand new Zayah collection. As a reminder, this is part of our how-to series. So each week we post a how-to video on our YouTube channel. One week we may take requests from our audience. So if you need help with a specific area, you have a specific budget in mind, you have a collection in mind, you have a Pinterest, a photo that you really love and you want us to bring it to life, we have a request form in the description. Send us all of that information, include the photos, and we will help you recreate that exact photo. Yes. Another way we do this is that we poll our Instagram audience, so make sure you follow us on Instagram. We'll show you 4 different install options, give you 4 different collections, you get to vote, and then we'll show you how to recreate that. And then sometimes we just show you what you want, and that is what we did this week because we wanted to show off our new collection. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and we can't wait to see how you recreate it.
Yes, so if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week.
Bye. Bye.